get started on this one. This one has a misfire. This is the 2017 Sonata. You can see this is the plug. Wasn't firing. It's kind of wet from the gas, but that was in 4. So the first thing I did was I saw the code for a misfire on 4, so I switched these coils. Real easy to do. One screw, pop this lock back and unplug it. I switched it with there, and I still had the misfire on 4. So then I switched the spark plugs, and then I had the misfire on 3. So that's how it determines that it needs spark plugs. So these are the new spark plugs. Don't drop them. Okay, it looks fine, but they come gapped. Just want to check and make sure that they're not like weird bent or bent really far out of the way, or some weird, or even touching. So those all look good, even the one I did a short drop on the counter with. So I'll try to set this camera up where you can see, maybe somewhere around here. And let's get those spark plugs taken out. Put the new ones in. This is a 10mm. Don't lose those. So 3 is already out. That's the one I showed you because I switched them. Get your spark plug socket here. This one's 5/8. Spark plug will have a little, or a spark plug socket will have like a rubber thing in there supposed to hold the spark plug. Of course, this socket, that doesn't work. It doesn't hold on to the plugs like it's supposed to. There's a little magnet to pull it out. Those need to be unscrewed more. Look at the crust on that. The new ones. And I'm setting them in there. I'm not dropping them. And then I'm just going to get them snug by hand first. Make sure I'm not cross-threading anything. I don't know what the torque specs on here, but you're basically just getting them snug. You can kind of feel where it's like really resists. It resists a little bit, and then it starts really resisting. There we go. Coils back in. Start these screws by hand. Make sure I don't cross thread those. Also something I don't know the torque of, but it's, you just snug them on there. You don't need to crank them down or anything. Now all the spark plugs are changed. You put your cover back on. You can see these little mounts here. That's these. And there. Just line them up. Push it down, and now you're good to go. You do this yourself, you save a lot of money. This is a good paying job to do, so you save a lot of money by being able to do this yourself. So leave a like. Thanks for watching.